guys, I'm back again with another video here in our lovely resort hotel in Las Vegas. Well, I've got this nice countertop and a nice bathroom. I wanted to show you guys another great natural skincare solution that I personally use all the time. So you guys know that at least once a week while we're traveling, I love to do a facial mask. That's just a little bit of a self-care treat that I can do for some me time so that I still feel feminine, beautiful, well cared for, even when we're kind of roughing it on the road, right? So usually when I'm doing this on the road, doing a facial mask, I am using this guy right here, the Charcoal Cream Mask by Herbesque. I love Herbesque products. I love Nicole, who runs Herbesque and who makes all of these natural skincare products by hand. If you missed my interview with her, check out down below. I'll provide a link for that. She is a sweetheart. She gives you so many insights into how she runs her business. And if you're an entrepreneur, some advice for you as well. That's a fantastic video. But I usually use this mask by her. And if you've seen me on Instagram post my weekly face mask, then you'll know it's this dark gray color, but it's already kind of like a mousse texture in here. It's a wet texture. So all you have to do is just apply it straight to your face. Super duper 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 easy. What I want to share with you guys today is just taking that up a notch, not using the regular pre-made mask mix that Nicole makes at Herbesque, but using a dry mix so that you can actually start with a base of the mask powder, but then add whatever you want for your particular skin type, your particular goal. So this is something that's a lot easier to do in an apartment or a house. I could totally do it on the road, but it would be hard to do it and also be filming it for you guys. So it's gonna be a lot easier to show you today. So we're gonna start with another great mask by Herbesque. This is the pudding mask. And this is a mud mask. So I'm gonna read to you the basic instructions here, and then we'll go through what I'm gonna add and a couple of other things that you could add depending on your goal for your facial mask. So, this is the classic mud mask with a twist. Mud draws out impurities and hydrates skin perfectly, and it's good for most skin types. So the directions: mix equal parts mask mix and water. Mix well, add more of the mix or the water to your desired consistency, and then apply onto your face, avoiding your eye and your mouth area. Don't put it on your eyelids, don't put it on your lips. Leave on and relax for about 10 minutes or until it's dry. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. I like to start with a clean face when I'm putting on a face mask, so I've already got the first line of gunk off of my face, and then I'm really pulling out impurities underneath that first layer. So we're going to do that before we put on the mask, but first I want to show you how we're going to mix up the mask. So we're going to start with the powder. Now, Nicole recommends doing about a teaspoon each of water and the mix first, and then go from there and see. Now, obviously, if you're adding stuff in, that consistency is going to change, right? A few things that you can add to your face mask would be raw honey, avocado, yogurt, lots of essential oils that you can use as well. I'll give you a list of a few different ones with the different benefits that they provide, but I've chosen to use today cedarwood and German chamomile. So German chamomile, very, very calming, helps your body to reduce inflammation, which is going to help to even out your skin tone, help to reduce puffiness a little bit. And then the cedarwood, which is very, very calming, helps to even skin tone again, helps to moisturize, and helps to give your face a little bit more smooth appearance. So those two I'm going to choose today, and we're going to go ahead and mix this up. But first, let me wash my face. So my face is all clean and ready to apply the mask. What I want to do is show you guys kind of step by step what I'm making, and I'll also post a few other options that you have based on your skin type and your skincare goals. So we're starting with the pudding mask. That's going to be our base, the mud clay mask, and then I'm just going to keep it super simple. We're going to add 2 different essential oils and water. There's a lot of other options out there, and the lovely thing is with the internet today, you can find a lot of different recipes, try them out, see what works for you, look up based on your skincare goals, also based on you know, whatever brand you like. Say it's Herbesque and you want to look up what she's suggesting in her Facebook group. You want to look on the Young Living blog, which is, I think it's called thelavenderlife.com. Look on their blog and find a couple of their different facial masks, your favorite, you know, natural health blogger. All these different places to find different facial masks. But I'm keeping it super simple. This is my second recipe. The first time I tried it, I used coconut oil, which is recommended, but I guess maybe I used too much, or I don't know what it was, but it just wanted to stick to itself and not to my face. So it actually would have made a great scrub, but not a great mask. So we're gonna try it just with the water and essential oils, keep it super duper simple. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of the pudding mask. Okay. All right, so just like this, into the bowl. And then I'm going to drop our essential oil in first before we add the water. So looking for the little pinhole for the bottom so that this comes out more quickly. We've got 1 drop cedar wood. Love that smell. And 1 drop of the German chamomile. This is a super thick dark blue oil, so it takes a second to get it out of here. Let me find that pinhole. Okay. And just wait for it, wait for it. Here it comes. 1. Okay. Get a teaspoon of water. Okay, and mix it around. See what consistency we come up with. Smells amazing already. Okay, I like this. It looks a little bit like cement. Okay, or maybe texture of brownie mix, I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and apply this to my face, clean face. I'm blind as a bat, so this part's going to be interesting. I've got a magnifying mirror here. Maybe use that, maybe use this mirror, but we're going to get it on there somehow. Using my fingertips. Apply it all over, but not the lips and not the eyes. All right. Oh yeah. So when I tried it with coconut oil, it just slipped right off. So this is already much, much better. You can also use one of those fan brushes. I've seen that recommended. Y'all know I'm not really a big makeup person, so I don't think I actually have any of that stuff with me on this trip. So fingertips will do. This is actually fairly similar to the consistency of the mask that I usually use from Herbesque. The charcoal cream mask. So, which is, like I said, super duper easy for, you know, just not having to pull out all of the ingredients, pull out the bowl, mix it yourself. But when you have the time to mix your own mask, then you get to add whatever oils you want, whatever other natural ingredients. Okay. Looking good. Now, you're not supposed to put this on your eyes, but I do like to try and get my under eyes because I've got some hereditary dark circles going on. Try and do my best with them. Okay. Now getting close. So once I'm done spreading this on, it's wait 10 minutes or until dry, right? And so I'm gonna just get 2 things off my self-care list today by going ahead and getting in a meditation as well. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. That was just the right amount to cover my entire face. I'm gonna put my, spread a little down here. Never hurts to get your neck. Use up the last of this. Okay. Now, voila. Looking crazy. Just how I should look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take myself into the other room, get a 10-minute meditation in, check to make sure it's all the way dry, and then I'll come back when it's time to rinse it off. See you guys in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back. My face is all clean. So it was about, I would say more like 15 to even like 18-20 minutes. I stopped timing after minute 10, but it took a little bit longer than that because it was pretty thick the way I laid it on. I rinsed it off just using, you can cleanse. I used my all natural facial cleanser and then my silicone scrubby and just warm water, you know, got most of the mask off and then rubbed around on my face like this in a circular motion, and using warm water so that I'm helping to flush all the impurities out. Then at the end, splashing with cold water, and that way we're tightening back up those pores. So I'll take a photo for you, but we'll try and get close and see. You tell me, how does my face look? So it definitely feels tighter. It feels smooth. It doesn't feel dry, but it does feel taut, if you know what I mean by that. Also on my neck, which is lovely. It smells amazing. The chamomile, German chamomile, and the cedarwood are lovely. If you prefer something like lavender, sandalwood, frankincense, you can mix all of these wonderful different essential oils. One drop up to, I would say 1 drop of up to 3 oils. Otherwise you might overpower your senses as you're putting it on your skin. Might be a big smell bomb. Lemon is another great one. You just want to do that one at night because it is photosensitive, so it can make your skin react to sun. So if you are doing a night mask, then lemon oil is fantastic. It's very clarifying. It's also very cleansing, very brightening. Lots of different ways to play with this and make your own combo, but that was so simple, just the pudding mix and water and then a couple drops of essential oil. How easy is that, guys? So whether you want to mix around your own, whether you want to get the cream mask that's already made up for you and super easy, I highly recommend doing a meditation and mask at least once a week. Get that mask on your face. Take those 10 minutes to yourself, listen to some soothing music, do some deep breathing, just chill. You deserve it. It will help you to come down from the week highs, the stresses, release that week before you move into a new week. If you're interested in getting reminders to do that weekly, I'll put a link to the Herbesque VIP Facebook group. This is a group that Nicole runs, and every Monday she reminds you to do your face mask. And she also gives special discounts for all of her collection launches. She does a new collection, I think it's every month, but at least several times a season. So you can get all the new products with those special discounts in that VIP group. And it helps you remember to do self-care. to do this on a regular basis, to take that time for you. So I hope this was helpful, guys. I hope that you enjoyed seeing me use these particular ingredients and getting some ideas to make your own different blends of essential oils and natural ingredients and face mask, clay or mud face mask as a base, and just have fun with it, guys. Leave the comment in the comments below if you try this out. What are your favorite things to add to your facial mask? I want to hear all about it. Give me all of the options. I would love to keep sharing them. Some of the things that work for you, I'd love to share them on my Instagram, share them in my own personal essential oil Facebook group. And speaking of that, if you're interested in learning about essential oils, we have a Facebook group called Natural Living Real Life that gives you the introduction to that. And then if you end up joining my essential oil team, I actually have my own Facebook group that I run with my friend Michelle, and that's all about making your natural life super duper simple. So you can do it on a homestead like she has, kind of off grid, or you can do it while you're traveling, and you don't have to have access, to all of the fancy whole food stores or natural wellness stores in order to get this done. You don't have to be able to go to the spa. You can just do it on your own land, in your travel trailer, and make your life really easy. So those are a couple options. Search below for all those links to learn more. And I will see you guys next time for another video. Until then, have a fantastic, fantastic rest of your day, fantastic week. Love you very much. Bye.